Hi, Ryan.
Chicago police officer po itong si Bobby. Mr. Officer, anong dish natin ngayon?
Actually, itong KBL is, nung pumunta ako sa Iloilo, natikman ko at tinanong ko kung anong tawag. So, they said, kasi ang wife ko taga Iloilo, so I went there, and I tasted it, tapos nagustuhan ko, tinanong ko sa kanila. So sabi nila, it's KBL, which stands for Kajos,
baboy.
Baboy and Langka.
So what's the first step, Bobby?
Okay, meron tayong baboy na pre-tenderized na, which is this one.
When you say pre-tenderized, pinakuluan mo na ba to?
Yeah.
Or saan mo to pinakuluan?
Pinressurize namin, so
Okay.
we're gonna, save time.
Okay. Para sa mga nanonood sa atin, how much water did you use and how many pounds of pork is this?
This is a 3-pack, which is about 4 pounds.
Okay. Pinakuluan sa pressure cooker. Ng mga ilang 30 minutes, 1 hour?
Yeah, it's about 20 minutes.
20 minutes, okay.
Ito yung black peas. Mga pinressurize ko siya para mabilis.
Okay.
It took me like 15 minutes.
Okay.
And then we have the langka.
Okay.
Unfortunately, we don't have fresh langka here, so we have canned jackfruit.
Let's cook.
All right. I have the pan over preheated, so lalagyan natin siya ng konting oil. So unahin natin itong garlic. Then we have the onions. I'll put first this one kasi na-tenderize na to. Okay, I just added 1 cup of water. Actually, kailangan nyo lang i-tansyahin kung gaano na karami tubig versus your ingredients.
This exciting. Okay.
So now we're gonna put the langka
Okay.
and the taste. Okay, then we have Mamacita's sinigang sa bayabas mix. Of course, kailangan tansyahin natin yung lasa. Tastes good. Okay, I'm gonna put the cover to make sure it's simmered in until na medyo kumulo siya. It's not gonna be long because we have the pre-tenderized ingredients there. Okay.
This portion is brought to you by Mamacitas.
Kaibigan, to keep your greens looking fresh, always add them at the end of the cooking process and do not overcook. To be safe, once nailagay na po ang mga dahon, switch off the stove and cover. It should be cooked and ready to serve in 2 to 4 minutes.
This portion was brought to you by Mamacitas.
Mga kaibigan, you'll see all our plated dishes after this commercial break. Plus, we get to meet some members of the CDR and their families. Please don't go away. Welcome back po mga kaibigan dito sa Father's Day episode ng Live Pinoy Style. Nakaluto na kami ng humba, nakaluto na kami ng pignakurat, nakaluto na kami ng KBL. Teka muna, hindi ko pa nami-meet yung iba nating mga members dito. Pakilala mo naman kami.
Yeah, we have our friends, CDM members who just came in. Our former president, Lake Ikaw, right there.
Thank you.
Jamar Andrade, he's a junior of James, right there. And Carlo Rodriguez joining us here again.
O ano, kain na na?
Yes!
Okay.
Let's go!
At mga kaibigan, isa na naman pong episode ng Live Pinoy Style ang natapos. Pero bago ako tuluyang magbabay sa inyong lahat, I just want to remind you to keep sending those recipes to us. At kung meron po kayong mga inspiring or interesting stories ng ating mga kababayan sa buong mundo, sulatan niyo po kami. Who knows, one of these days, we might come knocking on your door. Ikwento nyo. And I promise you, magluluto po tayo. Ito po si Ron Bilaro, ang bago niyong best friend sa kusina. Magkita-kita tayo sa isa na namang fun, interesting, and exciting episode ng Live Pinoy Style.
I would like to invite my kababayan all over the states, those who ride motocross, who plays paintball, do snowboarding, wakeboarding. Feel free to contact us, feel free to join. Kasi mas maganda pag sama-sama tayong mga Pilipino.
If you want the complete recipes in today's episode, email us at info@livepinoystyle.com or send a stamped envelope to Life Pinoy Style, 1879 North Neltnor Boulevard, Suite 181, West Chicago, Illinois, 60185.
Life Pinoy Style would like to thank the following.
O Skincare by Olivia Quito, the skin specialist of the stars. Call 562-897-1445 or visit 17808 South Pioneer Boulevard, Suite 112, Artesia, California.
Ruby's Fast Food. For the best palabok in Chicagoland, call Ruby's Fast Food at 773-539-2669, located at 3740 West Montrose Avenue, Chicago, Illinois.